Hey, what's up, viewers? It's Phoenix 0095.
Any Man 48.
Today we're going to review the M14. Got this off of ebike.com for around $38. Various parts on this is metal outer barrel, inner barrel, cocking handle, and the rear sight adjustments. It's all made out of tough ABS plastic, so it's not really going to break on you if you just drop it. It will break if you
Smash it against
smash
the tree.
it against the tree. See what? This is a good gun, good for sniping, 200 feet range, really good. FPS is 350, around there, so that's good with .2s and .23s. This has two sling mounts.
The front one moves, the back
one
one
right
does
here.
not.
Back one doesn't move, front one does.
Front one.
It comes with this scope plastic and this flashlight plastic.
And the rails, the top rail and the left rail come off, so they can look like original.
These rails come off. The sight, it's an okay sight.
It's just, if you can see, it's a
crosshair.
regular red crosshair, but if you see,
it's not that great for night.
Because you can easily see it throughout. You turn it off, you turn it on, you can easily see. See? You can see it.
Alright.
Good gun. Sounds good.
The scope turns on from right there. You just click this in. Flashlight turns on from the back, just like the scope. Good plastic, but
charging handles. Easy for some. You get a little more strength than others. But
you want to go?
But it's
30
the
round magazine.
In total, good gun.
Good gun for
cheap
$38.
Gun.
Good sniper.
It's good starting sniper. First sniper rifle.
You hear that? That's a strong rifle. That's a strong rifle there. And it's gonna cock this again when it's gonna feel it again.
This is the fun part. He sucks at cocking it. He's used to it. But yes, good gun. Metal.
This is for range. Right up here.
You can easily move it up.
Turns
like
out. This comes out.
2 centimeters up, and then it moves.
And then it moves back and forth for wind. For windage adjustment. Right here. It resets itself every time you get to another bump. That's about it, viewers. Phoenix 0095.
Any Man 48.
See you later. Rate, favorite, subscribe, please.